Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So as I've promised for a very long time, I'm going to start with my System.io training. So in this video, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough System.io, what it is and how you can use it. So let's dive into it. Now, what is System.io? System.io is a platform that you can build funnels on. Now, what is a funnel? The easiest way I can explain it and how I think of it is a funnel is like a website. Now, funnels have certain steps into it which you can build. So it's easier for me to build funnels for my website than to go onto WordPress or Wix and go sit and build out a website from there. So let us start into System.io. So you can start off on a free plan, which is why I prefer System.io. Similar platforms is platforms like Builderall, ClickFunnels, Gumroad, but you have to pay for ClickFunnels, you pay for Builderall, whereas System.io gives you a free option. Now, what do you get on the free plan? On the free plan, you are allowed to have 2,000 contacts, which is a lot for someone that starts off with a business. You get 3 sales funnels. You get 15 sales funnel steps, which you will understand later on. They give you the option to start a blog, which is amazing, and that is why I love it as well. I do have my own blog post on here. You can create one course. So if you're someone that's going to provide your customers with a course, you are more than welcome to use this platform. It has one automation rule. So what do I currently use it for? I have my sales funnel where I have a lead capture, like an ebook, which is a freebie, and when someone subscribes and download my freebie, I have emails automatically go out in the background for me. You get one tag, one email campaign, you can have one upsell. So what you can do is in your freebie, you can, when they download it, ask them, are they interested to buy a product from you? One order bump. You can have one community, you can have one, so your one product you can put into the marketplace and have affiliates for it. You can have one webinar and one custom domain, which is going to be your website address. Now, a lot of people ask me, what is a domain? They don't understand that. A domain, the easiest way I can explain it for you is your cell phone number. When people want to contact you, you have a certain cell phone number. Now that is your domain. That is your www.perfectlyblossom.com. What is an email address? An email address is going to be your info@perfectlyblossom.com. I hope that makes sense. Now, unfortunately, with System.io, you used to be able to send emails from a Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, or any free email account, whereas these days they don't allow that anymore due to a lot of people being spammed. So now when you come and you build a sales funnel or a freebie funnel and you want to send out emails, unfortunately, you will have to purchase a domain and then get a professional email address to do that. You will come here to your main dashboard. On your main dashboard, so when you log in, this is normally the first page that you will see. You will see if you have a lead magnet or a website where people put in their email addresses. This is going to be the number of leads you have. So this System.io account has been around for quite a while. I haven't been actually giving much attention to it yet. But here you will see all of the people that already signed up for my previous. So I had a freebie affiliate marketing guide for beginners. So this is all the people that already signed up for that. So here you will see your subscribers. Then you get your affiliate dashboard. And this is what I love about System.io. If you're someone that is interested in affiliate marketing, this is the perfect place where you can come and advertise free products. But we will get into that now. So here you will see the commissions you've earned on your product. There's your earnings. As you can see on this certain platform, I have already earned $226 for the year. This is your affiliate link that you will get. So what is nice about System.io, when you create an account and you have people that sign up on your affiliate link. Now let's go back to the products. You see, so let's say someone sign up, they have their free account, but now they decide they want to go onto the $27 monthly package, or they want to take the $47 monthly package or the $97. You get 60% commission on every month on that $27, $47 or the $97. And that is why a lot of people are successful with System.io. Okay, let's go back to the affiliate dashboard. Now here is the payments that you will have. I think they only do this for the last, you see it's 28 days. So there's the leads that you will have. And here's the invoices of your affiliate marketing products or your vendors. Now here you will see the market offers. So as you can see there, you can be an amazing affiliate for System.io. Here is one of my products, the Priceless Portal. There is .com Truths, fully branded funnels. So here is all of the products that you can be an affiliate for. So you can access this here. Now let's say you're interested in taking one of these products and you want to promote it to earn a commission on it. Now I will go and say right click and open the link in a new tab. When you open it, this is the product. There is the vendor. What you will do is you will say I want to promote this. Now let's go and say we want to promote this offer. It will open the website of the vendor. And here on top, you see there is the website and then my affiliate link. Now, let's say I go promote this product onto Pinterest. This is the link that I will add. And whenever someone comes into with that link, signs up and purchases, I earn a commission. So there's the affiliate marketing. Then you have your student dashboard. Now, a lot of people have courses on here. So let's say you sign up for some of the courses. This is where you will find the courses, your progress, and be able to, carry on. When you press on explore, here you will see other courses that you can say you want to gain access to. And some are paid, some are free. Let's go back. I want to go back. And then we have the marketplace. Now this is where you will go if you want to do affiliate marketing. Choose your product. I cannot tell you which product is going to be the best. So now I cannot tell you which product is going to be the best. If you follow some of my previous training, you will see that I told you, you need to pick your niche. Here is someone that is talking about self-growth. There's someone that is a mentor. Here is Bible study. There is marriages, physical products, business academy. You need to decide what niche you want to go into. Come here and choose your product. Here you can choose. You can have services, software, and the list go on. On the next dashboard, you have your contacts. Now this is where you will see all of the emails of the people that signed into any of your email campaigns. Now what is very nice is you can actually take this list, export it into an Excel spreadsheet and upload it onto another platform should you wish to do that. Tags is just for, let's say you take one of the other monthly subscriptions, you can have more than one funnel. And what you're going to do is, if you have more than one email list, you can set up more than one email automation, and that's why you're going to put a tag on a customer so that you know which email list they already subscribe to, what are they interested in, and you can send them info accordingly. This is a new feature that was just added last month, pipelines. I am not going to go into it too much now because this is a little bit more advanced, but we will go into this a little bit later. Now here is the best part. Here you will get your blog posts. Now, a blog post is another way for you to earn money. As you can see, here is all of my, so on this System.io platform, here is all of my blogs that I, let's say, view blog layout. Now, this is where you can write articles. Okay, I think it's because I haven't used it for a while. Okay, so let's go out. But you can edit, copy, paste, you know, sales funnels. This is my best one. So my recent product that I've added is I have a very nice package which has 600 Facebook groups that you can promote. Use to promote your products in the groups itself, and then a very smart entrepreneur used this and said, okay, so she's going to sell this product and create a funnel for it. So you buy a package which you then can have, and now it has master resale rights to it. So what's master resale rights? It's giving you the option to resell this product for 100% commission. Master resale rights, you're not to edit the product in any way. So it stays, let's think of it as branding. Let's say you go and you say you want to become a McDonald's franchise. So you have access to all of the recipes and everything, but you're not allowed to edit how the shop is going to look, the colors, the branding, anything. Now that is master resale rights. So you can resell this product for 100% commission. You're just not allowed to rebrand it. Now, this is the funnel steps that we were talking about. Now, if I go and I say view funnel, so this is the capture page. Now, this is where people are going to put in their name and their email address before they go on to the sales page. When we get to the next one, I always call this the product page. So let's view the product page. So as you can see, this is this amazing smart entrepreneur's product that she's giving us master resale rights to. Now this is the funnel step. This is the product page. This is where your customer can purchase from you. And then we have the thank you page. So after they have thanked, after they've purchased, they will come onto the thank you page. Now, as you can see here, I did edit the thank you page a little bit to make it more personalized for myself. There you can access the Facebook group, and then I'm putting all of my social media links and all about, and my DigiProfit Academy. Why not, eh? Now, so this is going to be your complete website. Now, let me show you how it's going to work. Now, this is what they call an automation. So the steps has already been automated. You don't have to go manually and help a customer from step to step to step. Now, in this website, we're going to put in my name and my email address, and we're going to say, get the list. Now it's going to take them through to the sales page, and after they said paid, they're going to go to the thank you page. Now, because they put in their email address, they will go to my email automation, which already has 4 emails, which they will receive every single day, or as you set it up. If you want to send an email every second day, you come and you do it here, and it does it automatically. You don't have to come every single day and come and say send, send, send. It's set up and forget. Next, we will have a digital store, which is the new one that has been added currently. So I will do training on this one in one of the next videos. But the digital store is basically similar to your link in bio. Next, we have the emails. Now here you can send out newsletters, which you only send once. So the newsletters, you come and schedule them manually, one by one by one. It's not an automation. And then you have your email campaigns, and the email campaigns is linked to your tags. This is just the statistics to see how your campaign is going. Automations is your rules. Now the rules is what you set up from the funnel step to the tag to the email automation. Products, you can choose if you want to do physical products, orders, coupons, courses, or communities. Sales, you will be able to see your sales transactions, your subscriptions should you have a subscription offer, your affiliate invoices if you have affiliates for your product, and your affiliate program. And then we have help. So I hope this was very informative. In the next video, we will be talking about setting up a sales funnel.